This video uses the SmartLogger5000A or SmartMGC5000 as an example. The installation position must meet the clearance requirements. The SmartLogger5000 or SmartMGC5000 can be installed using screws or on a guide rail. This video uses installation on a guide rail as an example. Remove the external mounting ears. Retain the guide rail mounting ears for later use. Press the device downward until the buckle is clamped onto the guide rail. Check that the optical jumper ports are clean. Use the WAN port as an example. The RS-485 communications cable must be a shielded twisted pair. The shield layer must be grounded. You are advised to connect it to a ground point nearby. Use DI1 as an example. You need to prepare an industrial-grade SIM card. Press the SIM card in place to lock it. In this case, the SIM card is correctly installed. Use IA as an example. It is recommended that cord end terminals be used. Tighten the screws on both sides of the terminal. Use UAC1 as an example. It is recommended that cord end terminals be used. Tighten the screws on both sides of the terminal. Use DO as an example. It is recommended that cord end terminals be used. Tighten the screws on both sides of the terminal.